Shri
Yes,
Durga
sir,
Shankar
you are audible.
Affairs, Government of India, DG CPWD, Shri Amrit Abhijatji, Joint Secretary and Mission Director, Housing for All, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Dr. Professor PSN Rao, Director, School of Planning and Architecture, New Delhi, distinguished invitees, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shailesh Agrawal and I am your course coordinator. It's indeed a proud personal moment for me to extend a very warm welcome to our Honorable Secretary, Shri Durga Shankar Mishra ji, under whose constant guidance and mentoring the idea of starting Navri, a certificate course on innovative construction technologies, have come to a reality. NAVREIT stands for New Affordable Validated Research Innovation Technologies for Indian Housing. Friends, it is a history in the making, as there is no such kind of course exists in India as of today, where the participants will get opportunity to get acquainted with the ensemble of globally best construction practices, which can help foster sustainable construction with improved structural and functional performance. I also extend very warm greetings to Shri Amrit Abhijat ji, who is Mission Director and Joint Secretary Housing for All. He has been a pillar of strength in our journey of bringing disruptive technologies. I also welcome Professor PSN Rao, Director, SPA, New Delhi, and my course coordinator. I also welcome DG CPWD and ADG CPWD. I also welcome resource faculty, representatives from academic institutions, our collaborators and partners, resource persons, invitees, dignitaries, ministry officials in this inaugural session. Warm welcome and greetings are also extended to all the registered participants for this first of its kind certificate course Navreet. We got, sir, that is 12th Feb 2021, and will continue till 18th Feb 2021 with a break of one day, that is Monday. I'm happy to share with all the participants that we have best of the experts in the field who would be interacting with the participants and delivering lectures on various innovative materials, technologies, and processes during the course. I urge the participants not to miss any session and be active during the lectures. Let us take full advantage of the opportunity, and I sincerely hope that all of you become harbinger of bringing paradigm shift in our existing construction practices and help build new young India, which is self-reliant Atmanirbhar. Jai Hind. Thank you. May I now request Professor PSN Rao to brief about the course?
Thank you, Dr. Shailesh Agrawalji. Respected Secretary Shri Durga Shankar Mishra ji, Secretary of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India, Amrit Abhijat ji, Mission Director, Housing for All Program. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy to introduce you all to this certificate course on innovative construction technologies. And as many as 54 different companies were invited, and there was a lot of discussion. And out of all of those, about 6 major technologies have finally been brought in, and these lighthouse projects are being implemented at various places. So it is now important that all the people within the country become familiar with these technologies, and these lighthouse technologies don't remain only as pilot projects, but we are in a position to replicate them on a large scale. So we are having these programs from the 12th, that is from tomorrow onwards. They will go on till the 18th of February. And I'll very briefly tell you: emerging construction systems, formwork systems, stay-in-place formwork systems, precast sandwich panel systems, volumetric systems, which are very important, steel structural systems, light gauge steel frames, and precast concrete buildings. These are all the areas in which we are going to give you detailed insights. There will be 2 lectures every day, and at the end of this, there will also be doubt clearing sessions, and there will also be an examination which you can take, a multiple choice question examination which you can take at your convenience. And therefore, the whole idea is that you are in a position to get a good grasp over these technologies, and you can even visit these 6 lighthouse projects which are being implemented in different cities. And at the end of the day, we want you to implement these technologies and proliferate it as far as possible, so that the mission Housing for All can be taken to the right conclusion, and we will be able to completely wipe away the housing shortage that has been plaguing this country. So we are very happy, and I'm personally thankful to our secretary. When I had volunteered that School of Planning and Architecture New Delhi would like to jump in, and we would like to offer this course. We are an 80-year-old institution, and we are very happy to partner with the BMTPC of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. And together we are trying to do this. The course lectures are going to be delivered by all senior professors and from the Central Building Research Institute, from IIT Madras, from CPWD, and from IIT Hyderabad, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Madras. So all these professors are all involved. And there is also a very nice document that has been prepared. And this document also has been, I think, distributed to all the course participants. So with these few words, I will once again like to thank all of you for this inaugural session.
Thank you, Professor Rao. May I now request Shri Amrit Avijatji to say a few words?
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everybody, those attending the program today. It's my proud privilege that I'm a part of this function today where Navreet certificate course on new and innovative technology is being launched. I go back to where we started from with the entire journey of PMAY. It's been one of the largest affordable housing programs in the world, which started in the month of June 2015 when the Honorable Prime Minister envisioned an India where there will be no housing shortage and we will be in a position to say that there is no demand for a new house for the urban poor and everybody gets it. As on today, you may not be aware that we've already sanctioned close to 110 lakh houses, which is 1 crore 10 lakh houses, out of which about 72 lakh houses are being in various stages of progress where they are being made, and out of which about 42 lakh houses have been delivered to the people of this country. However, when we were going to setting about to do this housing scheme, we realized that we need a separate attention on the use of new technology, and a technology submission was initiated within the scheme itself. And under this technology submission, we have taken up large number of projects where we promoted new and innovative technologies, and close to 16 lakh houses in PMAY itself are being done through the innovative technologies. When we were implementing this scheme, we also were acutely aware that it is not only the PMAY, but a large segment of Indian population where houses are also being made. And we will have to initiate new and innovative technologies so that we are able to address concerns of climate, address of time, delays in construction. And as was just discussed, the Honorable Prime Minister did envision another of his very ambitious projects which came about in the form of Global Housing Technology Challenge, where we were able to call for technologies from all over the world, and thousands of participants participated all over the world, out of which about 54 technologies came to be selected through the challenge process, and 6 of them were also chosen to be as lighthouse projects on which we will be taking in the course, and we will reviewing them also. Now they are being implemented after the Honorable Prime Minister inaugurated these projects on the 1st of January 2021. We did feel that despite the fact that we were doing all this, there is a knowledge gap, and there is a sentiment that professionals, practitioners must understand what we are talking about. They must be disseminated through a curriculum, and experts, apart from the experts, the engineers, we also need a lot of skilling to be done, and therefore these were taken up. And today we have this occasion when we are launching this project. About 120 of them are there, and I congratulate all of you. We will be the first ones who have been selected for this unique Navreet course. Thank you all very much, and I congratulate you for being a part of this huge journey. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Amrit sir. Now it's my proud privilege to invite our Secretary sir to deliver inaugural address, who is championing the idea of bringing technology transition in the construction sector. May I?
Thank you, Professor Rao, the Director of School of Planning and Architecture, Dr. Shailesh Agrawal, CEO of BMTPC, my colleague Amrit, Joint Secretary, who is leading the mission of Housing for All, Sri Vineet Jaiswalji, Director General of the CPWD, and all the professors who have joined from IITs, experts in the field who have also joined on the webinar, and the young students who have registered themselves for the first program. They are going to be the pioneers on the technology change in the field of civil engineering. At the outset, let me first congratulate all 125 of you for having joined as the first batch of Navreet. Well, the idea of Navreet is to get through you the change in construction technology. The technology which we are following at present in the country, in most of the places, it is traditional, age old, it takes long time, it is not so much sensitive towards the environment, it is not so much sensitive towards the various resources which are being utilized. So on the instance of Honorable Prime Minister, on his direction, we thought of the global housing technology challenge, and the idea is not to serve the housing for all, but housing for all is an opportunity. That's what the word I'm quoting Honorable Prime Minister, is an opportunity to get the best technology from the world and learn from them to make them as Indian technologies. In fact, the whole exercise of global housing technology challenge has given us so much of experience, and I thank all the IITs and all other various stakeholders who have participated in these deliberations, which form this the challenge process, and which has now culminated into 6 particular projects which are been grounded on 1st of January, the very first day of the year 2021, during this COVID period, in 6 places: Chennai, Rajkot, Indore, Lucknow, Ranchi, and Agartala. I would like to invite you. We are going to start an enrollment of technograhis, that is those who are interested in learning these technologies online, and we are going to facilitate you that you can go and visit, or you can be party to. We are going to webcast these technologies, the various activities in these places, and you can participate, you can learn, you can ask questions. So that could be continuous learning process. This portal for enlisting those who are interested. I mean, they could not, I mean, they could be students, they could be the professors, that is academia, they could be those who are working from the non-government sector, working in the public sector, in the private sector. Everybody can participate in this learning exercise across the country, and this is going to be started on 16th of February, only few days from now. Today we are starting this new course. We had started another course. This was on the vulnerability atlas of India, to make you acquainted with what are the vulnerability conditions across the country, and what kind of steps needs to be taken so that the construction, whether it is housing or it is any kind of, whether it is industrial, institutional, hospital, university, whatever construction is done, that is sensitive towards the vulnerability of the particular area. That course is already on, that is available online, and this is the new course which exposes you to the new technologies which are not part of our technology in the country, but in future we would like to embrace them and make them as a Make in India technology, and we can take it out to the rest of the world, because India itself is transforming the way so fast that we will be needing such kind of technologies for construction, reconstruction, and development of our country in time to come. So at the outset, let me first congratulate both Dr. Shailesh Agrawal, the CEO of the BMTPC, Professor P.S.N. Rao, who is the director of School of Planning and Architecture, Delhi. They have taken together, and all those, I mean, professors, because I would like to thank the professors from IIT Roorkee, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Madras, I mean, various places. They have all contributed towards forming this course. I hope the course is going to be very interesting. I have requested them. I mean, they will also be learning from you, because this is the first batch. They will need to take some kind of a course correction. So what to make so that people develop interest. We would like to use this as a movement. As a movement, in the year 2022, when we are going to celebrate our 75th year of Indian independence, we are going to host a Construction Technology India conference. And this Construction Technology India conference will showcase what kind of technologies we have been able to develop, either through this Global Housing Technology Challenge, through our ASA India, which has been hosted in 4 of IITs and 1 Central Building Research Institute organization in Jorhat, or through various other actions taken across the country. And we would also like to get the best technologies across the world to come demonstrate to us from where we can learn and move on. So today is a very, very important day. Today being the Mauni Amavasya day, you know that is an extremely auspicious day. It comes only once in a year, Mauni Amavasya day. On such a auspicious day, this program is being launched. So my best wishes to all of you for great learning and becoming the pioneers or the prime movers of bringing change in the construction technology in our country. Thank you for giving this opportunity to inaugurate this very, very important program, about which your Honorable Prime Minister mentioned in his 1st of January address to the country. I mean, when he was addressing on the global housing technology, he mentioned about the Naurit also, how this is going to help us bring a big change in our curriculum, in the way we practice our work in different places, whether it is state government, central government, or private sector. So this is not limited to our housing for all. This is for everything, whatever we are doing across the country. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. And with this, we come to the end of this inaugural session, and we will see you tomorrow, 5:30 dot. I hope you have got the link, and so see you tomorrow. Thank you very much, sir.
So thanks a lot. Thank you everyone for joining. Thanks.